Hello out there, you're welcome to Fortitude Shammah Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful turban. By the time you are through watching it, you'll be able to make it by yourself. If you are watching my video for the first time, please kindly subscribe, turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates. Like, share for others to benefit. And to our returning subscribers, we really appreciate you. We love you. Thanks so much. So let's start. These are the materials you are going to use. You need your thread and needle. Then I'm using crepe material. It's a little bit stretchy. Then this design on it, you can make use, I can't really say the name of this material. So, but you can make use of any design crinoline. Any fancy crinoline that you see, you can make use of it, and you can as well make use of the material you use. So let's start. So I have made the pleated design, but I'm going to explain how I made this full pleated design on the turban. So let me explain. So just look carefully and listen to the way I'm explaining. The measurement is 28 on the stretchy part by 45 inches. 28 on the stretchy part by 45 inches. If you want it to be full, you make it 60 inches. If you are using not stretching material, make use of 30 inches on the edge circumference. So it will be 30 by 60. But this particular one is 28 by 45. So you are going to make your band, fold it twice. Fold it twice. Can you see? You fold it twice, then you sew straight down. Fold it twice by 1 inch, then you sew straight down. After that, you are going to make your pleating. After folding it, making your band, after sewing it down, you are going to make your first pleat. Can you see the way I make use? Make use of your pin. If you are a beginner, make use of your pin. There is no crime in making use of your pin. So you are going to fold it, then you take it to your machine and sew it straight down. Make sure the second pleat, this pleat, cover the sewn part of your band. The second one also form your pleat and make sure that it covers the sewn part of the second pleat. Then you form the next one again. You sew it straight down. Form the next one till you consume the whole fabric. So that's how you are going to form your pleat, and which I have done. Okay, so this is it. This is it. At the end of it, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. So that is the other side of it. So after that, if you want to put your lining, if you want to line it, you are going to put your lining on that, you are going to sew it on that first pleat. You are going to sew it on that first pleat, then you sew it round. But I'm not going to put my lining. So I want to put elastic. I'm measuring on the band, fold it into 2, measure 8.5, then you chalk it. Insert your elastic. Elastic is 3 inches. You can make it 3.5, but this one is 3 inches. So you are going to push the elastic and let it reach that 8.5 that you measure. Can you see? Pin it down. You are going to sew it down. Then you do the same thing. You are going to place your elastic on that 8.5 you measure. The measuring is on the band. you pin it down, then you take it to your machine and sew down. After sewing, you are going to pull your, don't drag the elastic, just pull your fabric, pull it and let the elastic be at the edge so that you'll be able to sew it down as well. I will take it to the machine and sew it down. The same thing, don't pull the elastic, just drag the fabric, pull it over the elastic to bring the elastic to the edge. Then you sew it down. Sew that place, you sew this side and the other side. After that, you are going to sew your band together, everything together. Can you see it? You are going to sew, you sew it that way to form your cap. So this is it. This is the outcome of it. Can you see it? Can you see it? I have run the stitches, but your stitches must not get to the top. I only run the stitching at the back and did not touch that side. Then I only pull that side a little bit. You can leave it and you can as well, but the back stitches is very important. You can leave this side but don't touch the middle. So this is the outer part of it. If you make 16 inches, it will be longer than this. It will be longer than this. It will be longer than, that's another thing. But this person is on low cut and does not want longer one. So we are through making the cap now. So let's make the design that will be on top of it. So if you are using your crinoline, it's still the same thing. So just buy 3 inches crinoline, the designed one, anyone. Buy 3 inches crinoline. These materials look like matte material, with shining design on it. So I don't really know what to call it. So you are going to measure 17 inches, or how, if you want, it depends on how big you want it. So fold the edge at the center to form your bow, then pleat it. If you don't understand, watch it again for you to get it. Then you place it by the side, place 2 at the side, then tack it together at the center. If you don't understand, watch it again. So after that, you are going to place it that way to form your design. Very simple. You are going to cut 5 pieces of it. 3 will be at the down part, then 2 at the top part, at the top, to form your design. Tack it at the side, then embellish it with any trimming you like. This is the outcome of it. Can you see how simple and beautiful it is? So just buy your trimming to design the center. Anything, you can use any design to make the design on top of it. If you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have not done well. Please kindly support us by subscribing to our channel. Turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates. Like, share for others to benefit. Thank you for watching. Fortitude Shammah Crafts loves you. Bye.